Hey everyone, Sarah here from Get Feedback. Welcome to another episode of Simplifying CX. If you're new to this channel, Simplifying CX is all about providing you with the straightforward answers to some of the biggest CX challenges. So if this sounds relevant to you, don't forget to subscribe. All right, so today we're going to go over the basics of the Customer Effort Score, also known as CES, which is one of the most popular customer loyalty metrics. First, I'm going to explain to you why CES is so important. Then I'm going to explain to you how to measure it, and then I'll provide you some examples of how to use this metric. Customer Effort Score is a customer loyalty metric used by companies to measure the level of effort that a customer experienced with a particular interaction. This metric goes hand in hand with great customer loyalty. According to Gartner, 96% of customers with a high-effort service interaction become more disloyal compared to just 9% who have a low-effort experience. They also found that low-effort interactions cost 37% less than a high-effort interaction. Okay, so how do you measure it? The Customer Effort Score is measured by asking customers to state if they agree or disagree with the following statements. The company made it easy for me to solve my issue. Customers can choose from 7 choices, ranging from strongly disagree to strongly agree. The CES score is calculated by finding the average of all responses. This means taking the total sum of responses and dividing it by the total number of survey respondents. So for example, let's say you received 50 survey responses and the total sum is 200. You would get a CES score of 4. A 4 isn't great. Generally speaking, you want to strive for a 6 or a 7. The Customer Effort Score is a touchpoint metric. As a touchpoint metric, the goal is to understand how well a brand performed at a particular point in the customer journey. A CES survey is often deployed after a support interaction or an onboarding process, the purpose being to identify and remove obstacles that are getting in the way of your customer's success. CES should be used during the purchasing stage in the customer journey because the ease of completion of the purchase is critical. It should also be used to measure the speed and efficiency during the ask and engage stages, where the customer is mostly interacting with customer service and support. Keep in mind that these are just some examples. There are many touch points where you can measure customer effort. So to summarize, the Customer Effort Score, also known as CES, is used to measure the level of effort that a customer experiences when they interact with your brand. For a complete guide on how to use the CES metric, check out the link in the description video. Also, if there's a topic that you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video that simplifies CX. Until next time.